Hi everyone, this is Mohammed. In this lesson, I will tell you how to create database device. A database device stores the object that make up the database. The term device does not necessarily refer to the distinct physical device. A database device can be created in the file system or can be created in the row partition. Practically, I will tell you how to create database device. Why we need a database device? When we create a new database, we must we must have space available in device, which must be available in file system or row partition. To create a new database, to check the device is available or not. This is the command to create a database. Disk init name equal to logical device name, physical name equal to physical name, like physical path where the device is located. Store the information. It could be your file system, it could be your row partition. Depends on the size, how much size devices you are going to create. Desync true or false. What is desync? Desync in the previous version before 15.0, desync basically when you create a database device, where you actually Sybase is a write ahead log. When you perform any modification in the database, it creates the log first. Once the transaction is committed, it write to the disk. But at the temporary, it write to the buffer. Suppose desync is on, it will write to the buffer. Once the transaction is committed, it write to the disk. When in 15.0 above version, in the picture direct IO, it write the log to the disk directly but via buffer. So there is very minimum chance to lose the data. So these are the stored procedure. SP help device to check the information of device. SP drop device to drop the device. SP drop device logical name. This is the syntax to drop the device. SP disk default. Suppose you want to make the device as default. So someone can use as a default. If suppose if a user want to create a database, so no mention to device name, it will be created on the default device. So this is a syntax to create a device as a default. SP device attribute. So you can see this is the command to create check the device information. So these are the devices: master, subsystem proc, subsystem db. So just check sp help device master. So you can see the information of device. This is the device name, master, physical location, and file. So you can see the disk on, direct IO is off. Only one option can be on or off. Check the size. This is the 30 MB device. How much size is free? And below you can see that how many databases are created in these devices. So a master, model, TempDB, subsystem DB, and testDB. 5 databases are created on these devices. On these devices. So a multiple database can be created on single device, or a single database can be created on a multiple device. Let's create a device. disk init test db $100 or syntax error. Device is created. So you can see SP help device. So this device is created. Okay. So if you like this video, so please subscribe this for more videos. Thank you.